Ignacio Castillo, Judge.
Yeah, okay.
So,
Oh, Lord, you picked up a bird hand.
yeah,
Same transaction.
Say it again?
It's the same transaction.
Ah, okay.
here's a rub. So I was trying to reset him to after his felony. The soonest available was like the Monday after. He is scared that if he gets that one resolved up there, that because he's got a GOB bond, I'm not going to see him on Monday, and he'll be transferred over there immediately and still have this case pending.
Transferred over where, to ICE?
Yes.
That's what I told them. I think that's that.
Why were you saying why we were taken care of on,
If for some reason he's thinking that it might be taken care of on the next setting up there.
I mean, it's a Berg hap. It's been open a month. I can't imagine discovery is complete, right?
Right.
And the Berg hap?
Yeah, no, it's not completed. They're still waiting on some photos. But yeah,
Do you want me to revoke the bond in case?
That's what I'm thinking. He's got a GLB bond. Can we revoke it and make it 100?
It's 100 now. I can make it 101.
And turn it into not a GLB bond, but a surety bond, I guess?
No. Once you revoke a bond, a warrant issues and it'll stay in warrant status until you make bond or you get a PR
It's
bond.
at $100 right now.
He's on bond now.
Yeah.
He got a general order bond. It's $100. So he's on bond. So theoretically, if the case gets dismissed, then yes, he's eligible for pickup and
Yeah.
ICE can get him and take him.
Let me confirm that he wants to revoke the bond. Let me make sure. And we'll see.
That will place the hold so that immigration will not take him.
I got it.
And we can
Okay.
resolve it
We'll
here.
talk and make sure on that one. You ready?
And then I'm always happy to reinstate
Yeah.
if we
Oh,
revoke
hey,
it, you know, so really.
So that should work for him. There should be no reason.
He never will revoke and refuse to reinstate,
Got it.
right? So like if they take care of that and he's still in warrant status here, we can always reinstate. But like I said, they'll take him to immigration or whatnot. So
That's a great idea. I'll talk to him about
you
it.
let me know what you want to do.
Yeah, I'll talk to him.
Okay.
Dean, can we bring out Mr. Billy Chavez and Perez? Mauricio Perez is good to go, guys.
We're pushing
But we
on.
need Chavez, Billy
Do you
Chavez.
need a translator?
No, Chavez, Billy Chavez, no.
And Chavez?
Chavez. Chavez.
Chavez E. Chavez.
Chavis.
Chavez E. Chavez. You know that? Young Guns? You ever saw them?
That's a great movie. Part two is the best. Part two is the best one.
No, I don't know.
Do you like the first one?
No, they're both.
I like the second.
Yeah, significant criminal history, huh? Not too new, but
She says she told the boss. She said, this is what she's told. She has.
is it Chavez or Chavez?
Your choice.
Sir, you're charged. Well, I'm sorry. You were wanted out of another jurisdiction. Your lawyer is asking for me to set you a bond. I don't know. I have to get to know you to see whether it would be a good idea to give you a bond because I got a lot of people here that are dangerous to my community. And I don't want to, put anybody else in harm's way. I got to know that if I give you a bond, that you're actually going to go back, not become a danger. So we got to get to know you in the short time that we have. Tell me about it.
Yes, I just wanted from Lincoln County, Wyoming for 3 counts of burglary, 3 counts of theft and property destruction. As opposed to a bond. While it was issued on February 26th of this year, he has some significant criminal history that we're concerned of. First off, he's actually currently on federal probation. For a charge of stealing imported interstate shipped weapons from a licensed importer manufacturer. He, as the court also knows, he had a evading motor vehicle in 2021. In that case, he accelerated through 4 stop signs, lost control of the vehicle, and hit a concrete barrier, and continued to drive and crash into a townhouse, wall and fence. And then he continued to flee on foot in that case. He picked up that evading while he was on bond for a theft of a firearm and for a deferred PCS in our court. Looking at the facts of the theft of the firearm, it did resemble facts more similar to a burglary in that case. For these reasons, state would be concerned about getting involved.
You said he has 3 counts of burglary out of Wyoming?
Yeah.
Are they three separate transactions? Are they all one matter? Right, but is it one transaction in and of itself? Is it three different, like, days where we have three different burglaries? I guess, is it one criminal episode versus multiple?
It looks like they're one criminal episodes, they all list the same date. I will also note, kind of another thing you did want to a couple days ago, right? They have the exact same charge and agreements as well. So I also think it's also another code of conduct.
Oh, we had another thing. We didn't give the person a bond, did we?
No, I think
That person was on federal probation too.
that I don't know.
Please.
Judge, so criminal history, that's
No bueno.
it's no bueno. This is a fugitive case, Judge. He's on federal probation. Yes, we threw that out there. He's on federal probation. He was picked up at federal probation, so he's complying with the requirements of his federal probation. Picked up there. I mean, technically, I will say this, Judge. Talking about another co-defendant, I mean, that's got relevance on my client. He is his own
I agree
person.
with you. I agree.
So the biggest thing here is when this charge was filed. It was filed February 26th of 2025. We are in March 12th. He hasn't had an opportunity to go over there to Wyoming. This was just placed, and he's asking for an opportunity to go turn himself in, especially after he's been complying with his requisites of showing up where he needs to be. He was picked up at his probation that same day. So that being the case, I know it sounds bad that he gets burglary ×3, theft ×3, but he is presumed innocent. He hasn't missed a chance. We have no failure to appear, sounds like. And so we're asking for an opportunity for him to turn himself in.
Do you know when he got on federal probation?
2024, just the end of last year, October.
Let's go through your stuff. Since 2019, carrying a handgun in a motor vehicle, possession of a controlled substance, aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, possession of marijuana, theft of a firearm, evading in a motor vehicle, unauthorized use of a motor vehicle, federal probation for what?
Report of interstate shipment justice of border.
And now 3 burglaries, 3 thefts, 3 property destructions from one property destruction from Wyoming. And you want me to give you a bond?
Yes.
No. The bill comes due. You scare me. If I give you a bond, my fear is that you will pick up another case. The only thing I like is public safety. And I give bonds on fugitive cases all the time when I have a feeling that they're not going to endanger my public. But since 2019, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 federal probation, 9, 10, 11 are here, and I don't even know what other criminal history has in other jurisdictions. Anything else in other jurisdictions?
Fort Bend, what's this? Yeah, Fort Bend had a theft of property conviction from 2021.
Sorry, dude. Way too much baggage.
Judge, would you consider any amount for bond?
No, he's too dangerous, man. So on federal probation, now he has 3 new cases. Just, sorry, man. You're too dangerous. Thanks.
Thank you, Judge. All right. I'll talk to you in a minute still. Do you want to reset? What's his reset? Judge, can we talk about 2 other cases that are on your docket? Let's see. All right. Maria Pacheco, PAC.
Okay.
Judge, wow,
What's your concern?
we got a great offer. We got a great offer.
But she's not here.
Yeah, she's not here.
How old is it? Let me see. Do you have contact with her or no?
I've been reaching out to her. They haven't been successful.
Okay. I mean, I can give you till Monday SFBF, but that's it.
Monday SFBF.
You know?
Yeah.
I'll give her a bond forfeiture setting of a couple days. But then, and then stay on the bonding.
Yeah, got it, Judge. She said, 17th, right? Okay. And then the other one is, Alfredo Lasquez. Oh, I think I was told those were dismissed. Never mind. So no worries. Let me go talk to my, in custody client, see what we're gonna do about that revocation.
On who?
The hearing tomorrow, Mr. Ignacio Castillo.
Okay.
Judge, just to be honest with you, I'm a little confused as to what kind of hearing it is tomorrow, but the more I think about it, it's like if it's an actual hearing on the record and we're trying to figure out what's going on, I mean, do I have a right to subpoena some of these people to come and testify regarding this or
Well,
what?
then if you're gonna start subpoenaing people, I have to give them 2 weeks.
Right, we're gonna have a hearing on the
I was
record.
just gonna, if there's video, they're saying surveillance, and then make sure that there is another person there that is.
These minutes in the office report, which are most sworn statements, would be enough to establish probable cause. So I don't think we need to subpoena anybody to be here.
Which we've already done right now, so I don't understand what the hearing for tomorrow is gonna be different.
I think more to the point, we just need time to further review the OR so tomorrow, because it is 8 pages and there's a lot more details that we need just some time to review, just to further determine whether probable cause. So just tomorrow, we can revisit this and we can have a full understanding of the OR.
Okay, so we would be hearing stuff, but I don't have a right to.
I'm giving them a little bit of time until tomorrow. That's
Okay.
Ricardo.
Okay, I'm just throwing off when we start talking about hearings. It's like, okay, are we gonna be on the record? What are we doing?
I hadn't planned on it. If you want it on the record, we can.
Can I talk to Richard, see if we could work this out? Right, I mean, because, like, if we're gonna roll it, I mean, I want to subpoena some people.
Leave today, given I need to look at things more. It's kind of like I'm seeing of it. I'm not in a position to complete today, just given.
No, not complete it. I mean, just look at it, see if you think you have probable cause to.
I mean,
That's what we're asking for. Let's talk about it. Let's talk.
I mean, we can.
I gotta roll, Ricardo.
Oh, okay.
I gotta go. Can't just sit here and wait.
Well, if that's the case,
An hour,
if that's the
45
case,
minutes.
can we set it for a real hearing and also subpoena people 2 weeks out? Let's do that.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's do that. Let's pick a day.
Sure.
Let's see. Ignacio Castillo, CAS.
Bond conditions.
Let's do, we are at 12.
But they were getting filed, so. You know when to come in? Okay.
Yeah, I'll subpoena them.
That's it though, right? That's it? Okay.
Can we do the 28th?
Whatever day you want. Oh, any day but
27th, I'm sorry, I got the wrong one.
That's the day.
Oh.